Welcome back to another video. My name is Stephen Foster. Today we're gonna do a tech gift guide. I'm trying to do 7 things in about 7 minutes. You'll know if the timestamps if I did it. Hopefully we're gonna get somewhat close. But these are 7 things that I've had, used, recommended to other people. People have asked me when they've seen these things like, oh, what's that? Where'd you get that? Ooh, that's cool. I want it. So if you're looking to treat yourself to something nice or you're looking to get something good for someone else in your life, this is the video for you. Up first is the Lockbee Venture Pouch, and I've been looking at this thing for like a year. Finally, Lockbee reached out. They sent it over my way. They aren't paying to sponsor this video. I don't have any sponsors for this video, so this is for you guys. But they did send this over my way, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it out, see if it works my flow. This thing is awesome. It has like a pouch on one side and then like a folio flap on the other side. So this thing can hold pens and EDC flashlights and notebooks, and it can also hold cables and charging bricks and like your phone and even a Kindle, which is mind-boggling. I like to just throw this thing in my bag and it just like organizes all my small stuff. I can pull this out if I'm, say, going somewhere and I need some of those things, but I don't want to take my whole backpack with my laptop and everything else. This is a really cool gift if someone already kind of has everything but doesn't have it organized. Keep that in mind. The second thing on this list is a Kindle. I prefer the base model Kindle. I think this is the best Kindle for most people. If you want to do the upgrade and go to like the Kindle Paperwhite, so you get that warm backlight and like the waterproof rating, go for it. But even the base model Kindle, which is right at about $100, is absolutely good enough for most people. Pair that with like an Audible like gift card or some type of like Kindle gift card, Amazon gift card, and now all of a sudden you have a really great gift. You don't have to worry about ordering books and like lugging around a bunch of books as like gifts to someone. Like, this thing is so tiny and so versatile, and they're really durable. I don't even put a case on these things. I just throw them in my backpack. I think my last one I used for a few years actually, still going strong. And one thing I like about the Kindle that I've started using it for that I haven't seen anyone else do is that this thing has a Wi-Fi connection, it has a web browser, and is actually really good at browsing Wikipedia, of all things. So if I'm doing research and I want a second screen to just like read up on something quick, this thing has become like my little Wikipedia browser. Neat. Okay, number 3 on this list is the Raspberry Pi 5. Now, this thing is great as a gift for anyone who's getting into computers or is interested in computers, even like maybe teenagers that want to be on a computer, have their own computer, and you want to get them started in a way that they have like a respect for what it takes to actually build a computer. Or if you just say want to experiment with using like desktop Linux or something, this thing is so versatile. Past projects that I've done is like building like an air quality monitor out of one of these things. Now with the new AI hats or whatever Raspberry Pi is making, you can test AI stuff and do like small model language learning type stuff. Or you could even do something like Pi-hole on your home network with the Raspberry Pi to stop ads and speed up your internet browsing experience. Very cool gift. All right, next up on this list is the Anker Prime 6-in-1 charger. This thing has gotten me out of so many binds. I travel with this charger. This is the charger that sits on my desk. Basically anywhere I go, I want this charger to be there with me because it gives me 2 sort of standard wall outlets. It'll give me 2 USB-A outlets, which ends up being my wife like plugging her phone, her like iPhone mini 13, which still uses lightning and a USB-A cable, which is totally fine because this thing can handle it. Then I have 2 USB-C ports that can do up to 140 watts of charging. So I can fast charge my laptop, fast charge my phone, fast charge my iPad, charge my Kindle, do whatever, everything else that takes USB-C, I can throw on this thing. So like when this is on my desk and I'm testing tech, I can just like plug in something that would normally plug into like the wall outlet, right? And then when I'm traveling, if I need to remove a plug somewhere and plug this thing in, I can replace that plug. Like I'm not taking up a plug, if that makes sense. It's been really good having one of these things. I probably am gonna get a second one just because I like traveling with it and I hate breaking it down from my desk, but really great for anyone who travels or is a homebody. This is like the piece of tech for them. Okay, let's see if I can do this while I'm recording for this next one, because the next one that I would recommend is my Logitech MX Master 3S. If you have used any other mouse, in my opinion, that is not like an ergonomic mouse, I'm looking at the Magic Mouse or like the mice that come with Apple products, not good. Hashtag not good. Get yourself a mouse that is going to treat your wrist and your fingers and your arm and just your whole body with some respect. And get yourself a Logitech MX Master or some type of ergonomic mouse. This one is the one that works best for me. And I like that I can pair this to 3 different devices. So I actually have this paired to my PC. I have it paired to the Linux rig that I'm doing some tests on. I have it paired to my Mac for when I do my recording and editing type stuff. And I can just switch between all those pairings with the button on the bottom. So if you know someone who say has like a desktop and a laptop or maybe some type of computer at home, but they have an iPad that they want to use on the go with a mouse, this mouse is great for that. Getting into the home stretch. This is not necessarily a piece of tech like batteries and screens, but this is really important. Getting to the ergonomics thing, the 12 South Curve Flex is like the ergonomic stand for my laptop dream. Like it's the dream. It's a dream. This thing is absolutely amazing. It holds its form really well, but it collapses down very easily. So you can throw this into your backpack, take it to a coffee shop. You can use it at your office, use it at home. Since whenever 12 South came out with this thing, I like instantly bought it, have enjoyed absolutely using it since. And I've been using 12 South stuff for like 15 years now, it feels like. Yeah, probably around 15 years. They make amazing high quality stuff. What's great about this thing is you can use this either standalone with your Mac or your laptop, or if you have a display that you're hooking your laptop up to, you can use this right beside your display and get your Mac monitor, your laptop monitor right where your display is. Finally, AirPods. We gotta talk about these things because I think these are probably the best product that I've seen come out of Apple since like the Steve Jobs era ended. I think these are probably my favorite Apple device these days. I think you can now get these on sale on Amazon for like 10, 15 bucks off. AirPods Pro 2, which I've also used, I believe are almost like, they're only like $20 difference than these now on sale on Amazon. Check for deals on AirPods. You can usually find them cheaper than the retail price. And I'm not a huge fan of the silicone tips. I like this new AirPods 4 with like the active noise cancellation stuff, USB-C, the little Find My stuff, so you can like hear it beep itself. So like if you've lost it on your phone, you can push a button, this thing will make a sound, you'll be able to find your AirPods quite easily. Sound quality is good. The active noise cancellation is good for what it is, for not having that like perfect seal with the rubber tip. I'm gonna do a full review on the AirPods 4 with active noise canceling, so make sure to subscribe to see that. If you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much, and be kind both in life and in the comments below. Like this video to send good vibes across the internet, and if you have a recommendation, a favorite tech thing that you want to add to this gift guide, drop it down in the comments below. We'll do it again soon. Later.